QuickBooks Accounting App Review. QuickBooks is one of the most widely used accounting apps designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers bookkeeping, invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting, all in a user-friendly interface. The app is available on desktop and mobile, making it convenient for business owners to manage their finances on the go. Talking about its pros, it is easy to use, having a simple interface with automation features. Cloud-based that access data from anywhere. A comprehensive features invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, tax management, and reporting. With an integration that connects with banks, payment platforms, and third-party apps. And at last, a multi-user access that teams can collaborate efficiently. But with every other app, it has cons side. Such as subscription cost, and monthly plans can be expensive. A learning curve that some features may require time to understand. A limited customization, the report and invoice customization can be restricted. And for the last, occasional syncing issues, bank connections may have delays or errors. Aside from all of that, I think the QuickBooks Accounting would be fit the best for small business owners, freelancers and self-employed individuals, as well as accountants and bookkeepers. As for its rating, I'll mention the Get app, Apple App Store, and Google Play Store. As for the Get app, with an overall rating of 4.4 out of 5 from approximately 7,800 reviews, users appreciate its user-friendly interface and robust functionality. One user noted, "It's a user-friendly service with great customer care, wonderful service if you have a small business." However, some have reported issues, such as, "This is extremely unprofessional and unacceptable from the company that is supposed to have your books." As from the Apple App Store, the app holds a 4+ rating, but recent reviews are mixed. Some users express frustration with frequent updates leading to a steep learning curve and instability. One review stated, "I can't underscore how bad this app is. Every time Intuit puts out a new version, it's a whole new learning curve to figure out where they've hidden everything and how to do what I need to do." As for Google Play Store, users find the app useful for business, but some features don't translate well to the mobile version. A user mentioned, "This is one of the main tools I use for my business. So many features do not translate well to the app, which is very frustrating." Well, if we talk about it, this app offers key features of invoicing and payment processing, expense tracking and financial reporting, as well as multi-user collaboration and integrations. Overall, QuickBooks is a powerful and feature-rich accounting app, ideal for small businesses that need automated financial management. However, its cost and learning curve may not be suitable for everyone. If budget isn't a concern, it's a great choice for streamlining accounting tasks. So, that might be it about my review. I hope this been helpful to you somehow, and if yes, please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you in the next video.